How AI can make you a millionaire in 2023. In the vast landscape of technological innovation, few advancements have captured the imagination and potential for transformation, quite like artificial intelligence (AI). As we stand at the threshold of a new year, 2023 beckons with promises of unprecedented opportunities, and AI stands as a key protagonist in this unfolding narrative. From streamlining industries to redefining the way we interact with the world, AI's impact is profound. The AI revolution, rewriting the rulebook. Artificial intelligence (AI) has transcended its role as a technological buzzword and become an integral force reshaping industries across the globe. In the context of becoming a millionaire in 2023, the AI revolution stands as a fundamental pillar of transformation. The seismic impact of AI is witnessed in how businesses operate, innovate, and strategize. Gone are the days when AI was merely a futuristic concept. It's now a strategic imperative for both established corporations and ambitious individuals. The heart of the AI revolution lies in its ability to revolutionize industries. AI-driven insights have become essential tools for decision-makers, providing them with the data-driven guidance needed to make informed choices. Whether it's predicting market trends, identifying customer preferences, or optimizing supply chains, AI's data crunching capabilities empower organizations to operate with unprecedented efficiency. Investment intelligence, decoding the markets. The financial markets have long been a realm of immense wealth, yet they are often considered enigmatic and daunting to navigate. Enter AI, a game-changing force that has unraveled complexities and opened the doors to investment intelligence previously reserved for financial elites. In 2023, AI-powered algorithms are scrutinizing markets, predicting trends and executing trades with a level of precision that human traders could only dream of. The fusion of AI and finance has given birth to algorithmic trading, where complex mathematical models analyze enormous volumes of data in real time to identify patterns and fluctuations. These algorithms can factor in multiple variables, from economic indicators to social media sentiment, and execute trades at lightning speed. The result? The potential for individuals to capitalize on market movements that might elude human perception. For the aspiring millionaire, algorithmic trading presents a profound opportunity. It transforms the complexities of the financial markets into a strategic game, where success is determined by your ability to harness AI's predictive prowess. Entrepreneurial empowerment. From startups to success stories. In the entrepreneurial landscape, AI isn't just a technological tool, it's a catalyst for innovation that can drive startups to success stories. Traditionally, startups faced steep barriers to entry, grappling with resource limitations, competition, and the challenges of scaling. AI disrupts this narrative, empowering entrepreneurs to leapfrog traditional hurdles and redefine industries. Imagine launching a healthcare startup that employs AI to analyze medical data and provide accurate diagnosis. Or envision an e-commerce venture that uses AI-driven recommendations to enhance user experiences and boost sales. These scenarios showcase how AI isn't just a luxury. It's a necessity for modern startups. The ability to harness AI's predictive analytics, automate processes, and personalize user interactions can give startups an edge in crowded markets. AI-powered investments, navigating new horizons. While the traditional investment landscape centers on stocks and bonds, the digital age has ushered in new horizons, such as cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance (DeFi). Here, AI's potential is amplified, providing a unique advantage for individuals seeking novel paths to wealth generation. Cryptocurrency markets are notorious for their volatility, presenting both risk and opportunity. AI-powered trading bots have emerged as a solution, capable of monitoring market movements and executing trades at lightning speed. These bots analyze price trends, news sentiment, and historical data to make split-second decisions that could result in significant gains. DeFi, on the other hand, offers opportunities beyond traditional financial institutions. Platforms leverage AI to optimize lending and yield farming strategies, enabling individuals to earn passive income by providing liquidity to decentralized protocols. E-commerce evolution. From clicks to commerce giants, the digital age has transformed the way we shop, paving the way for e-commerce to flourish. AI's role in this evolution extends far beyond facilitating online transactions. It's reshaping the very foundations of commerce. Personalized recommendations, dynamic pricing models, and seamless user experiences are just a glimpse of AI's impact on the e-commerce landscape. Imagine browsing an online store and AI-powered algorithms instantly present you with product recommendations tailored to your preferences. These recommendations are based on your past purchases, browsing history, and even the behavior of similar users. Such personalization not only enhances user satisfaction, but also drives conversions and sales. Dynamic pricing is another facet of AI's influence on e-commerce. Investing in skill enhancement, the AI learning curve. In the era of AI, knowledge is power, and skill enhancement is an investment that can yield substantial returns. Acquiring AI-related skills not only enhances your employability in a rapidly changing job market, but also positions you to capitalize on the demand for individuals who can navigate the AI landscape. Online courses, workshops, and certifications offer avenues for individuals to upskill and gain expertise in AI programming, machine learning, data analytics, and more. These skills not only enhance your ability to contribute meaningfully to AI-driven projects, but also provide an advantage in sectors where AI expertise is in high demand. Imagine being the individual who understands how to develop AI models that predict market trends or analyze consumer behaviors. Beyond technology, the human element. While AI serves as a transformative force, it's crucial to recognize that its potential is fully realized when combined with human ingenuity, creativity, and adaptability. AI's analytical capabilities are invaluable, but the human element brings emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and innovation to the table. Consider the synergy between AI-driven insights and human intuition. While algorithms can analyze data and predict trends, human interpretation is needed to contextualize those insights and make informed decisions. AI can automate processes, but human oversight is essential to ensure ethical considerations and avoid unintended consequences. Aspiring millionaires should approach AI with a mindset of augmentation, not replacement. By combining the analytical power of AI with human cognitive abilities, you create a dynamic synergy that fosters innovation, creativity, and adaptive problem-solving. Seizing the AI advantage. As we stand at the threshold of 2023, AI stands as a beacon of opportunity, capable of propelling individuals to millionaire status. The fusion of AI-driven insights with human ingenuity presents a transformative landscape where innovation, entrepreneurship, and financial success converge. Becoming a millionaire in 2023 requires a multifaceted approach. Mastering the nuances of AI's impact on industries, navigating algorithmic trading, harnessing AI for entrepreneurial ventures, and capitalizing on AI-powered investments are all pathways to consider. However, it's essential to approach AI with a holistic perspective, recognizing that its power is fully harnessed when paired with the capabilities of the human mind. In this journey, adaptability, continuous learning, and a forward-looking mindset are paramount. The realm of AI is dynamic, and the pursuit of millionaire status demands a commitment to staying informed, adapting to new technologies, and exploring the ever-evolving intersections between AI and human innovation. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.